Okay, so let's talk about how I earn an extra $1,000. It's like an average of $1,000 a month giving away free Uber rides. And I can hear what you're saying probably right now. Like, wait a minute, what? You getting an extra, 1K a month giving away rides? Show me how. Explain it. Break it down. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do in this video. So the first thing you want to look at, if you look at my website here, you can see that there is a button up here. That button is called a CTA, or a call to action. I got several on my website. There's a call to action there. Start here, call to action. Requirements is a button, call to action. CTA, sign up now. Get Uber tips. Those are all CTAs, or call to action buttons. When you have a website, you want to have those. But let me talk to you about the free rides one. If you click on this free rides button, you can see that that will bring you over to the page that Uber has created themselves. Everybody has this. If you're a driver, you have this. I'm going to show you where it is. If you don't even know how to get to it, or how, you never seen this before, I'm going to show you. But this is it. You can see $2 off first 3 rides. Sign up to claim your gift from Calvin, right? And they go sign up or whatever, and they can get their discount. I'm giving away free rides for the most part, right? That's what I call it, free rides, or you could call it discount rides, or whatever you want to call your call to action. I like calling it free rides because it gets a lot of clicks and it gets a lot of signups. Now, how is that making me an extra 1K? Because you ain't like, Calvin, wait a minute, like Uber is not paying you a bunch of money for doing that or whatever. And you're right, they aren't. Here's how it works. Here's why I'm making that type of money. Understand that it is free advertising to my website. When I get already, I've created content, blog posts on my site that is in the search engines, that's getting traffic. But when people get here, and especially and you can see that free rides anywhere on my site. But when they get to the site, they see that some people say, "Oh, and God, oh, OMG, these guys giving away free, Uber rides," and they share the information with family, friends. They put it on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. My website is being shared all over the place because I'm giving away free or discounted Uber rides. Okay. Now, how does that make me money? Well, I got call to action. So you can see a lot of people come to get those discounts, but everybody who comes there is not just looking for a discount ride, right? Some people get here and they see, earn $500 to $1,500 a week, and that say they go, wait a minute, what? How are you doing that? And so guess what? They click on this Start Here button. When you click on that Start Here button, that takes you to what I call a squeeze page, or a landing page for email opt-in. You can see here, and I ask people, do you want to make $100, $200 a day? And then here's a step-by-step formula how I created over $108,000 last year. They get on my email list. I give them information that tells them exactly how I did it. I have a video for that and all of that. And also, when they're on my email list, I'm able to present to them my Uber course. I'm able to present to them coaching, consulting. Obviously, my referral code is inside of that autoresponder. If they didn't already just grab the referral code from looking at it right on my website, which that happens a ton of times. All right, so that's that call to action there. Here's the call to action, sign up now. If they click on sign up now, guess what? That takes them over to my actual page that, again, Uber has provided me. Earn it at least $600 guaranteed, signing up. So guess what? You take 100 trips within 90 days in Atlanta, bam, $600. And remember, for those of you who don't know, that's not just in Atlanta. These numbers change, in whatever city you're signing up from. So if someone uses my code signing up from California, that $600 could be $700 or $1,000, or in Denver it could be $500 or whatever the case may be. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in this video right here. Here's a link. Go check that video out about referrals and the myths about those. Okay. So obviously I make money with people signing up referral code. And if you don't know how much money I make, there's a video. I'll put another link in the description here. You can see how I make, easily $500, $1,500 a week. And I show you that by going into my account. But what about if they click on this call to action requirements? Okay. If they click on that, that takes them over to a post, Uber driver requirements. Well, I'm giving the information about the driver requirements, but you can see here, there's a call to action link in here. Click to sign up. and start earning. Click here to apply to drive. Again, if they click that, it'll take them over to my Uber page. Now, one of the things here, let me go back to the home page because I'm trying to explain to you guys how important this is. And then I'm going to show you how to create your own link. So stay tuned here. But if they slide down and they want to get Uber tips or whatever, they click on that. And once they get on my email list, that will take them to another landing page that I have, which sells my course. Here's call to actions all over the place here. Here's a video they can watch telling them who I am, what I've done, what I've been able to accomplish, what's inside of the course that will help them make money. Hundreds, well, I should say at this point, thousands of people have bought this course, and it's legit, and you can see here, there's a countdown timer for actually getting it, because right now, if you click on this, you will actually see that it's available for only $29 when I usually sell it for $99. But it's $29 right now. Holidays are coming up. People want to make money, and I'm not Santa Claus, but Merry Christmas to those people. All right, so let's talk about how you can create your own link so that you can start taking advantage of this. The first thing you got to understand is, obviously, you need a website. You don't know how to do that? Link in the description, step-by-step on how to create one. But if you have a site or you want to even just use this somewhere else, this is how it happens. So here is the code. Let's grab the code that Uber is giving me, and you have that same code. So you can see up here, you see all this jibber jabber. This is called a URL. See all that jibber jabber, this stuff. I'm going to give you a more simpler one. This is the code that you need in order to make this happen. Okay, right here. HTTPS ://. Some people say / not. It's / get.uber.com /invite / your referral code, which means if you take my referral code and replace my referral code by deleting it and replacing your referral code after that last /, then you will have this link. Now, so if I take this and I actually paste it, you got copy and paste, and I hit enter, you will see that it will take me to my free codes. Okay, this is the free rides code that I have. So there you go. You have that in your arsenal. Now, how do you actually turn that into a link? Because you can see my link here for free rides. If I copy the link and I paste it, it is not all of this here. It is this, thesimpledriver.com /free ride, which, believe me as well, when I'm talking to people and I'm answering questions inside, because I get hundreds of emails a week to the Simple Driver. All right, when I'm answering people in those emails, this is up under my name, that URL, and also the URL that signs them up for being an Uber driver, which is this link here. Let me show it to you. Okay, /Uber. Now, how do I make those links? How do I customize that? Simple. Once you have a WordPress blog, and again, I show you how to do that. There'll be a link in the description. You need to download this plugin called Pretty Links. Okay. Once you have Pretty Links, you can literally take this URL here. Let me go back to it. This URL that Uber is giving you, copy that, and I can place it here as the target URL. And now the pretty link is saying, what do you want it to be? So right here, you can see automatically is thesimpledriver.com, and I'm going to put here YouTube example. So I want that link to be YouTube example /YouTube example. So I'm going to click create. Pretty Links is going to make that happen for me. Bam. It's taking a time here, but I'm going to go and grab this link now. I can copy this link to my clipboard, copied. And now let me just show you. Slide down, bam. So there's the new link. I'm opening this up so you can just see it. So thesimpledriver.com /YouTube example, which means that, again, if you're talking to someone on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, or you're answering an email, you don't have to give that cumbersome long URL that's branding Uber and not you. You can actually give them, for my example, my brand, thesimpledriver.com /YouTube example, or /Uber, or /free ride. That's going to keep the brand intact. That's going to allow more and more people to get to your site and spread that information, which is going to make you money. So just to show you that it works, if I go here and I copy and I paste that, simpledriver.com /Uber example, and I was to click my return button, it's going to take me over to that rides $2 off the first 3 rides. It used to be free rides. They're getting discounts or whatever, but it is what it is. A lot of people get here. So that's how you make the money. Just wrapping this up. The money is being made because there's free advertising, there's trust built up, and there's authority because my URL is thesimpledriver /free ride and not Uber.get. Whatever. Okay. It allows me to scale my business up because not only am I driving traffic to my website via content that I've created, but I'm also driving traffic from people referring my brand and my website to friends and family members, okay? Allowing it to go viral through social media, which is, you can't beat that. And what does that do? Obviously allows me to make more referral money, more coaching money, more consulting money, more affiliate money, and more advertising money. So that is how you make $1,000 a month giving away free Uber rides. Hope you like that information. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Definitely leave some comments. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. My name is Calvin. I'm the Simple Driver. Peace.